Hello, my friends from France and Mexico. We have missed you guys, and we are going to present our beautiful country, like our historic monuments, our traditions, our wedding ceremonies, and our daily life, and also our traditional clothes. And we hope to see you guys soon.
The Hassan II Mosque in Casablanca, Morocco, is a really big and beautiful building near the ocean. It has super tall towers, giant doors with pretty designs. It stands over the water. People made it with their own hands. Inside, a lot of people can pray together in a huge room. The mosque is really important because it tells the story of Morocco and brings people together for peace and prayer. It's like a special place where everyone can feel happy and calm.
Hello, my name is Meg. I'm going to present to you a project about Medina, Shufan Medina. Shufan Medina is a lovely place. It's colored blue because of the Jewish refugees that used to live there. They thought that it symbolizes the sky and heaven. And there's many beautiful mountains and many blue streets and houses. And if you go there, you'll find many little shops that sew blankets and crochet scarves. And if you go there, you'll find many people and many foods that are traditional and many people that wear traditional clothes.
The University of Al Qarawin is a very old and special school in Morocco and Fez. It's one of the oldest universities. The buildings are really interesting and look like a mix of old and new. Students go there to learn many different things like science, art, and history. The teachers are very smart and they help students understand new ideas. The university is like a big family of learners. It's an important place because it has been around for a very long time and many people from different countries come to study there.
Moroccan food is delicious and special. One popular dish is couscous, made with tiny grains and usually served with vegetables and meat. Moroccan tea is also famous. It's sweet and minty and people enjoy it together. Tagine is a dish cooked in a special pot and usually served with vegetables and meat. Tangia is a slow is where meat is slow cooked and where meat is slow cooked with special herbs. Moroccan food is not just yummy, but it also brings friends and family to bring good times and good flavors. Moroccan art carpets are like colorful magical rugs. They have pretty designs made with soft reeds, telling special stories. Each carpet is a happy and tradition-filled piece that makes homes in Morocco cozy and beautiful.
Moroccan art, ceramics, or engravings on gypsums are like special treasures. People in Morocco make colorful dishes and pots with unique designs like stars and flowers. Each piece tells a story about Morocco and brings joy and tradition to everyday life. Moroccan weddings are super happy celebration when two people want to get married, their family and friends come together for a big party. The bride wears a pretty dress and the groom wears special clothes like a prince and a princess. There are a lot of colorful decoration and music. People dance, eat yummy food, and have a good time. The celebration lasts for a while and everyone is so happy for the couple. Moroccan weddings are like a big colorful party where everyone has fun and shines in the love and happiness of the special day. Thanks for listening.
Hi, my name is Taha. Ask Morocco if you are traveling on the train or bus and the Moroccan sitting next to you is eating. Don't be surprised if they offer to share their food with you. Sharing food is a Moroccan tradition. with Moroccans believing that eating alone in front of others is rude, especially if the other person is hungry.
Moroccans love sports and they are especially passionate about football. People in Morocco of all ages and social backgrounds uh, are interested in football. In most households, you will find at least one or two family members, if not the entire family, who are passionate about the sport.
Another everyday Moroccan custom is drinking mint tea. Moroccans typically have the hot beverage daily, no matter the season, whether with breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Some families have evening tea time with pastries, dates, bread, and cakes a few hours before dinner, especially when welcoming guests.